Hey there, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the wonders of the universe and beyond. Today, we're diving into an extraordinary discovery that has everyone buzzing new findings from the James Webb Space Telescope that may point to the existence of another universe. That's right, famed physicist Sir Roger Penrose has been making bold claims, and the evidence is mind-blowing. If you thought we had a solid grasp on reality, think again. This could shake up everything we know about the cosmos. So, let's unpack what these findings mean and explore the possibilities. Get ready to be amazed. The breathtaking images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope are unveiling a universe far more expansive and mysterious than we ever imagined. In fact, these new discoveries might push the boundaries of what we know about the Big Bang. Scientists are now suggesting something revolutionary. We may have found evidence of a universe that existed before the Big Bang. Nobel Prize-winning physicist Dr. Roger Penrose has proposed that if we look deeper into the origins of our universe, we could catch a glimpse of a previous cosmic cycle. Imagine the Big Bang not as a singular event, but as a smooth boundary, like a curtain you could pull back to reveal something even more extraordinary, a universe that came before. The Webb telescope's discoveries are challenging everything we thought we knew. For over a century, we've believed that the Big Bang was the ultimate starting point of everything. But these new findings suggest there might be much more than we've ever considered. Let's take a step back to 1921, when scientists first discovered that our universe is expanding by observing the motion of galaxies. But what does it really mean for the universe to expand? Picture a blank sheet of paper stretching infinitely in all directions. This represents the fabric of space itself. When we say the universe is expanding, we don't mean galaxies are flying through space. Rather, the very fabric of space is stretching and growing. Now, imagine placing two galaxies on this stretching sheet. As the fabric of space expands, those galaxies will move farther apart. It's not that they're moving themselves, space is expanding between them. And this simple analogy helps us grasp how the universe has been growing ever since that mysterious event we call the Big Bang. But now, thanks to the Webb telescope, we're starting to see that the universe might not have started with the Big Bang after all. What comes next could change our understanding of the cosmos forever. Stay tuned, because the mysteries of the universe are just beginning to unfold. It might seem like the universe is expanding outward from a specific center point, but that's not how it works. Let's imagine we add a third galaxy somewhere else on this vast cosmic sheet. You'd notice that all three galaxies appear to be moving away from each other. This reveals a fascinating truth. There's no single center to the universe's expansion. No matter where you are in the universe, it will always look like you're at the center because everything else appears to be drifting away. This is the nature of cosmic expansion. Every point in space is stretching, like dots on a balloon that expand as you inflate it. Scientists have also observed something even more mind-blowing. The farther a galaxy is from us, the faster it seems to be moving away. This discovery tells us that space isn't just expanding, it's expanding at an accelerating rate. For every 3.26 million light-years, you travel deeper into space. Galaxies are moving away 70 kilometers per second faster. That means space is stretching faster and faster as you look farther into the universe. Now, here's where things get really interesting. If you consider Earth as the center of the universe, at a certain distance, space is expanding faster than the speed of light. This might sound like it breaks Einstein's famous rule that nothing can travel faster than light, but don't worry, it doesn't. The galaxies aren't moving through space faster than light. Instead, they're being carried along by the expansion of space itself. So even though the universe is growing faster than we ever imagined, the laws of physics still hold true. Einstein's rule about nothing traveling faster than light applies to objects moving through space, not to space itself. What's happening here is that space itself is expanding faster than the speed of light, and that's perfectly fine according to the laws of physics. For centuries, we've used telescopes to observe the universe, and everything we've ever seen lies within a region called the Hubble sphere, which is about 48 billion light-years in diameter. The most distant galaxies we've discovered exist inside this vast bubble. Even though galaxies within the Hubble sphere are moving away from us, they're doing so at speeds slower than light, which means their light can still reach us. Now, here's where things get even more fascinating. Some light from galaxies beyond the Hubble sphere began its journey toward us billions of years ago, and it's still making its way here. This means the Hubble sphere is slowly expanding, allowing us to see deeper and farther into the universe as time goes on. But this expansion won't last forever. There's a limit. Galaxies beyond a certain point are moving away so quickly that their light will never reach us, no matter how long we wait. This sets a boundary on how far we can see into the universe, a limit known as the observable universe, which is about 93 billion light-years across. It's the ultimate horizon, beyond which the mysteries of the cosmos remain forever hidden from us. The universe is full of mysteries, and one of the biggest is this. While the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across, there are countless galaxies and stars far beyond it. We don't know how big the entire universe is, and many scientists believe it could be infinite in size. So far, scientists have been able to look more than 13 billion light-years into the early universe using powerful telescopes. These observations give us a glimpse of what the universe was like shortly after the Big Bang. In fact, by piecing together this cosmic history, scientists have developed a standard model of the universe, which shows how it has evolved over time. If you look more than 13 billion light-years away, you'll see the dark ages of the universe. During this period, the entire cosmos was shrouded in thick clouds of hydrogen gas. No stars, no galaxies, just darkness. This was the universe in its infancy, waiting to ignite the first stars and galaxies that would light up the cosmos and create the universe we see today. Every time we look deeper into space, we're uncovering the story of our universe's past, piece by piece, like a cosmic time machine. Imagine being able to look all the way to the edge of our observable universe, about 13.8 billion light-years away. If we could, we'd witness the very first moment of our universe, the Big Bang. Scientists believe that, at the very beginning, the entire universe was compressed into an incredibly tiny point known as a singularity. But here's the thing, we don't know exactly what this singularity looked like. Our current scientific theories fall apart when trying to describe it. Just as the edge of the observable universe limits how far we can see in space, the Big Bang marks the limit of how far we can see back in time. Scientists have long believed that nothing existed before the Big Bang, that it was the ultimate beginning of everything. But recent discoveries are starting to challenge that view. Thanks to the cutting-edge technology of the James Webb Space Telescope, we're now gathering evidence that the Big Bang may not have been the beginning after all. In fact, new observations suggest that a strange, mysterious universe existed before the Big Bang. This groundbreaking idea is gaining more support as we dive deeper into the cosmos. Take a look at this incredible image from the James Webb Space Telescope. It shows the light from a supernova that exploded 10.2 billion light-years away. But what makes this image so special is that it's helping us unravel the secrets of the universe's past, possibly revealing clues about what came before the Big Bang itself. The more we learn, the more the mysteries of our universe deepen, pushing the boundaries of what we thought we knew. What makes this image even more fascinating is that, due to a phenomenon called gravitational lensing, the same supernova appears in 3 different places at once. This is because the immense gravity of a galaxy between us and the supernova bends the light, creating multiple images of the same explosion. Scientists are closely studying this supernova to measure how fast the universe is expanding. Supernovae are one of the best tools for this kind of research, providing valuable clues about the universe's growth. But here's the exciting part. Recent calculations from this supernova suggest that the universe is expanding faster than we previously thought. This new finding is so surprising that it hints at something extraordinary. The universe's expansion may have started even before the Big Bang. This revolutionary idea is backed by Nobel laureate Dr. Roger Penrose, who proposes that the expansion of space didn't begin with the Big Bang, it was already happening beforehand. According to the inflationary model, space underwent a rapid expansion immediately after the Big Bang. But Penrose suggests a different perspective. The exponential expansion we see wasn't triggered by the Big Bang. It was already underway. This means that what we thought was the aftermath of the Big Bang might actually be evidence of something that came before it. These groundbreaking ideas are reshaping our understanding of the universe's origins, taking us further back in time than we ever thought possible. The idea that the universe existed in some form even before the Big Bang isn't just a wild theory anymore. Scientists have been gathering multiple pieces of evidence that strongly support this possibility. One of the most groundbreaking tools in this search is the James Webb Space Telescope, which has detected galaxies at distances we could never reach before. And here's the surprising part. These galaxies possess characteristics that completely contradict what the Big Bang theory predicted. For example, these galaxies are far more abundant, more massive, more mature, and more structured than expected. They also contain higher amounts of heavy elements, known as metallicity, and exist at even greater distances than standard cosmological models suggested. These findings are turning what we thought we knew about the early universe upside down. One of the most jaw-dropping discoveries by the Webb telescope was capturing a flash of light from beyond what we call the dark ages of the universe. According to the current cosmological model, this period should have been completely dark, no stars, no light, just dense clouds of gas. Yet Webb has observed something that defies this model, suggesting that our understanding of the early universe might be fundamentally flawed. As the James Webb Telescope continues to make stunning discoveries, we're forced to reconsider the foundational principles of cosmology. These findings point to the possibility that the Big Bang wasn't the absolute beginning of everything. The universe's true origins may be far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined, with mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. Take a look at one of the most astonishing discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope: unusual objects that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. This finding hints that the universe may have had a hidden history before this monumental event. Let's focus on 3 galaxies recently observed by Webb, including one called JADE SGSZ 13-1, of the most distant galaxies ever discovered. This galaxy existed only 290 million years after the Big Bang, and its sheer size, brightness, and mass are baffling scientists. How could something so massive and bright form in less than 300 million years? This discovery is pushing astronomers to rethink what they thought was possible. And here's the exciting part: scientists believe we're just scratching the surface. With the James Webb Telescope's incredible power, they expect to find even more of these bright, massive galaxies over the next decade, possibly dating back even earlier than JADSG's 13. These discoveries are shaking up our current understanding of how galaxies formed in the early universe. According to the standard model, there simply shouldn't have been enough time for these objects to grow so large, or to contain so many stars. In fact, the amount of ordinary matter in the universe couldn't have produced such massive galaxies so quickly. It just doesn't add up. As more of these early galaxies are uncovered, scientists are faced with a growing mystery. How did the universe manage to create these massive objects so soon after the Big Bang? This puzzle is opening the door to new ideas about the origins and evolution of the universe, and we may be on the verge of a major scientific breakthrough. Researchers are now suggesting that our standard model of cosmology, largely based on the decades-old Big Bang theory, may need a serious revision. Traditionally, the Big Bang theory has held that nothing existed before the Big Bang itself. However, recent findings from the James Webb Space Telescope are challenging this long-held belief, hinting that the universe might have existed in some form even before the Big Bang. Even the renowned Nobel Prize-winning physicist Dr. Roger Penrose supports this provocative idea. He proposes a theory suggesting that the universe existed in a previous eon before the Big Bang. In a recent interview, Dr. Penrose explained how we might envision the universe extending beyond the Big Bang using a fascinating example from art. He referred to a famous painting by Dutch artist M.C. Escher, known for its mind-bending representations of infinity. Penrose pointed out that in such a painting, you can depict infinity within a finite space. What you can do is represent infinity in this picture, he explained. It's a beautiful representation of infinity, yet contained within a finite distance. For the angels and devils depicted in the artwork, however, their existence continues indefinitely. This concept aligns with a mathematical idea known as hyperbolic geometry, which offers a unique way of visualizing how the universe might extend beyond what we can currently see. Dr. Penrose's insights challenge us to reconsider our understanding of the universe's origins, inviting us to explore the possibility that the cosmos may have a more complex history than the Big Bang alone. The conversation about what lies beyond our current comprehension is just beginning. Dr. Penrose uses the concept of infinity to illustrate how we might think about space and time in relation to the Big Bang. He likens the Big Bang to one of those smooth circular boundaries in Escher's artwork. Just as the picture ends at the boundary, we typically think of the universe beginning at the Big Bang. However, Penrose invites us to imagine that the fabric of space-time continues beyond that point, suggesting that there's more to explore outside that circular boundary. In Escher's artwork, the angels and devils are constrained by their own understanding of distance. They can't step outside their finite space. However, photons, those elusive particles of light, can break free from those limitations. This idea hints at a universe that might have existed before the Big Bang, and if this concept is proven true, it could forever reshape our understanding of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has been called one of the most advanced scientific tools ever created. Launched in 2021, it's been designed to peer deeper into space than any previous telescope, offering unparalleled views of distant galaxies, stars, and even planets. By analyzing infrared light, the JWST allows us to see billions of years into the past, unlocking secrets of the early universe. But what makes the telescope even more fascinating is how its recent data has revealed strange anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, faint energy left over from the Big Bang. These anomalies could hint at something truly astonishing, evidence of another universe beyond our own. Enter Sir Roger Penrose, a world-renowned physicist whose ideas are known to push the boundaries of conventional thinking. Penrose is no stranger to controversy, having introduced radical concepts like conformal cyclic cosmology. His theory suggests that the universe operates in cycles, with the end of one universe leading to the birth of another. According to Penrose, these echoes from previous universes could be imprinted on the cosmic microwave background radiation, an idea that lines up eerily well with the anomalies JWST has detected. While Penrose's theory is still a matter of heated debate in the scientific community, it's impossible to ignore how these findings seem to support his claims. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is like the universe's oldest photograph, capturing the faint energy from when the cosmos was just 380,000 years old. Scientists have long studied the CMB to understand more about the origins of our universe, but the James Webb Telescope has uncovered something unexpected. Subtle patterns in the CMB suggest that our universe might not be alone. These bruises or anomalies could be the result of collisions with other universes, or they might be footprints left over from an older universe that existed before the Big Bang. If these interpretations hold true, it means we've been staring at evidence of another universe all along, without even realizing it. So, what does this all mean for us? If the existence of another universe is confirmed, it would be one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in the history of science. Our entire understanding of reality, time, and space could be turned on its head. It would mean that the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything, but rather a transition point between cycles of universes. The idea that we live in a multiverse, where countless universes exist side by side, could go from being science fiction to scientific fact. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.